Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Patil. In this video, we are going to discuss about drug discovery and drug development process. Let's start. The drug discovery and drug development process. The drug discovery and drug development process is a regulatory process because this process is totally related to the public health. It includes the two stages. The first is a conceptual stage and the second is the developmental stage. In conceptual stage, when scientists are come together and they are decided and collect the information about a particular disease called as the conceptual stage. It totally depends upon the concept. Second is the developmental stage. In developmental stage, it includes the raw material like plant, animal, minerals, and the drug are obtained from a raw material. This is called as the developmental stage. In drug discovery and drug development, there are four basic steps are included. The first is the target identification. Second is the target validation. Third is the optimization of lead compound, and fourth is the lead compound. After the drug discovery and development, we are going to discuss about preclinical study. The preclinical study is conducted on animal. It includes the in vivo and in vitro. The in vivo means there are two conditions, in vivo and in vitro. The in vitro means outside the living organism and in vivo means inside the living organism, called as the in vivo or in vitro. It also includes the four parameters. The first is the screening, second is the evaluation, third is the pharmacodynamics or kinetics, and fourth is the toxicity. In screening, to calculate the dose range. In evaluation, to check the activity of a drug. In pharmacokinetics include ADME process. And toxicity, it includes the LD50 and ED50. After the preclinical study, we apply INDA, that is Investigation New Drug Application, for a permission of clinical trials. Let's start the clinical trials. In clinical trials, it includes the phase 0. Phase 0 is also called as the microdosing phase. In this phase, the number of population is 10 to 15 and the duration of period is 7 days. And this phase, which is used to determine the pharmacokinetics and SAD-MAD, that is single dose ascending and multiple dose ascending. Next step is a phase 1. Phase 1 is also called as the safety phase. Number of population of phase 1 is 20 to 80 healthy volunteers, and this phase is used to responsible for a safety efficacy. Second phase is also called as the therapeutic exploration. The number of population present in 100 to 500, and this phase is used to determine efficacy, safety, tolerability, etc. And in this phase, the disease patient are included and unicentric patient are included. After that, phase 3. Phase 3 is also called as the therapeutic confirmation. Number of population in this phase 500 to 3000, and this phase, which is used to determine the safety, efficacy, toxicity of a drug. Then after the third phase, we applied new drug application. This new drug application is for to get a permission of post-marketing surveillance. Next phase is a fourth phase. The fourth phase is also called as the post-marketing surveillance. In this phase, all the number of populations are included, or all the healthy volunteers and all the peoples are included. And in this phase, which is used to determine the reduce the ADR, toxicity, tolerability, safety, efficacy. This is all about the drug development and drug discovery process. Thank you.